Hello students, how are you today? Very good. Dear students, I hope you all are good. So students, did you saw the video last week? Yes, what is the topic? Comparison. So, did you learn how to compare the objects? Which is same and which is different? Very good. So, today once again I am here to make you learn about big and small. Okay students, so now I am going to show you some of the pictures to identify whether it is big or small. So have a look. Look at the pictures. This is a picture of an apple and this is a picture of an mango. So students, you can identify the names. Let's compare which is big. Say children, which image is big? Which picture is big? Yes, the apple. Okay, an apple is big in compared to this mango. Okay students, now let's go to the next picture. Now look at these pictures. This is a picture of tiger and this is a picture of cat. So students, tiger is a wild animal. You remember, and cat is a pet animal. That also you remember. Very good. So students, which picture is big? Yes, tiger. Very good. And which picture is small? Cat. So tiger is big and cat is small. Let's see the next picture. See here students, this is a picture of car and this is the picture of tree. Now you say which picture is big? Yes, the car is small and the tree is big. So car is small and tree is big. So students, for today you had learnt about big and small. Okay, now we are going to learn from our textbook. So dear students, here is your term 1 book, chapter 1, part C, comparison of big and small. So take out your page number 32. Okay students, page number 32. Now look at here. Sanjana and Harini are eating mangoes. They two are friends. Her name is Sanjana and her name is Harini. So dear students, they both are eating mangoes. They both are eating mangoes. Now see, Sanjana has a big mango. Sanjana has a big mango. Now you can identify which mango is big and which mango is small. So who is eating a big mango? Sanjana. And who is eating a small mango? Harini. Understood? Now let's do some exercise. You also do with me. What is the exercise heading? Tick the big objects and cross the small objects. So here students, look at this picture. Picture of a tiger and a cat. We have to tick the bigger and cross the small one. Okay, you just tick below the tiger and cross below the picture of cat. Okay, finish doing? Now let's go to the picture of balls. Now you can identify which is bigger. Which is bigger? The red ball is bigger. So take it. And which is small? Yellow ball is small. So cross. Finish writing? Now go to this side. See these two pictures of chairs. Okay. So students, Which picture of chair is big? Yes. So tick here, and the picture that is small, you cross it here. Now go to the next picture. Picture of the vehicles. See here, this is a bus and this is a car. So which is big? Yes, bus is big. So tick here, and which is small? Car. So cross here. Okay, finish writing, children. Activity time. Dear students, now I am going to show you some of the objects, and if you find that yes, it is big, so you have to say yay, big, and oh, small. Okay, students, now see these two balls. For this ball, you can say yay, big ball, and this one, oh, small ball. Okay, students. See this car and see this bus. For this car, you can say, oh, small car, and this bus is big. Okay, then what you will say? Yay, big bus. See these two objects. Which is big? Yes, the powder bottle is big, and you have to say yay, big bottle, and this one, oh, small. Okay, which is big? This one is big and this one is small. Very good. See students, these are two different clocks. Which is bigger or big? Yes, the white and blue clock is big. So, say with me, yay, big clock, and this one is small. So, you have to say, oh, small clock. I hope you have enjoyed today's learning. Dear students, you can learn this type of comparison at your home also. Okay, whenever you find something small and something big, you can say yes, this is big and this is small. So dear students, for today this much we had learnt about big and small. Be safe and stay at home. Do learning daily. Thank you. Have a nice day.